Good morning, my friends. This is Ian. Let me just close this silly thing down. Thank you very much. I have another brand new tool for you. Now, some of these free members thinking, well, where are all these new tools? Now, the thing is, there is a free membership and there is a privileged, upgraded pro membership. Okay. So if you hover over the Buildabizonline toolbox, you will see all the free member tools. Okay. I do know that the pro members can use the URL rotator as well, so I've left that there. But if you are upgraded, and if you want to see all of our tools, by the way, free members, then you can click on this link and you'll see all our tools in operation. Okay, a short demo. So let's scroll down to the bottom, click here for the pro member tools. Now the new tool is not listed yet. Incidentally, let's have a look now. These are the original other tools that were added onto this list here, but it was confusing for the free members. Okay, so they say, why can't I get into these? It says free members tools, but they weren't. So these are the original. So you've got your splash page generator there, your 10 banner splash page there, your Cloak, track, shrink and brand there, and your email tracking there. And this new tool, which is a splash page video background generator, okay, will go underneath here. Now, why do we need a video background generator? Well, some members, they do like, let's click onto here, they do like videos in the background of their splash pages. Okay, now I have created, if you look here, if say this is the test that I've been doing on this one to make sure all is working. If you click on the templates, there are some with video backgrounds, and they do actually say, come down here, that some of them are video backgrounds like this one. You see, they're all video backgrounds. Now you can add your own video, excuse me, that's better. You can add your own video background onto most of the templates now, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, let me just tell you though, now the only videos that you are allowed to add to splash pages are copyright free. Now, if you go and add something that's got a copyright on it, I'm going to get in serious trouble. And you will possibly get your account deleted. So please follow the instructions that I give you right now. And any other inquiries, please hit the contact us here, and I'll tell you whether it's copyrighted or not for the video that you want to add. Okay, you could get permission from other people, from other business owners. You could. Okay, but this is the way to do it. Okay, so what I'm going to show you first of all, that is the template I've selected right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to view. Let's go here. Excuse me a minute. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom. I'm going to click on here to view the splash page. Okay, so let's see if that's working. That is working beautiful. Now, where did I get this video from that is copyright free? I got it from YouTube. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, this is the tool. Very simple. And when you first click on it, you will see a default video in the background. You can see the birds flying about there. You can see the waves moving about there. Okay. Now, all you need is a YouTube code. Okay. This is built for YouTube. So let's have a look now. If I click on that and open up a new tab and click on YouTube, what you search for is video, and it should be somewhere. Animation backgrounds, video animation backgrounds. Okay, no good putting all these other things in there. Now that's the one that I've chosen. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's have a look at another pretty one. I don't know, clouds and things like. Oh, that looks interesting. Okay, so let's click on this free version. Look, free version. We click on this, and then what we do. Let me just show you. Oh, yeah, beauty. That's a nice one. I'm just going to show you what you do. Everything, you grab everything after the equals. So you copy that. Trying to drag this down now so you could see what I'm doing. Okay, and then we go over here and we paste this in here. Now what it should do, if we just highlight it and then Control V, okay, and then just click anywhere, and then we should get our video in the background. How about that? That's a bit mesmerising, isn't it? Oh, I wouldn't want to look at it for a long time, but now some people don't like background videos. They don't like them. They just want a solid colour so that people concentrate on this. But some people love them, and I must admit that I do like them. Now, to get this onto your capture page or get it onto your splash page as a background, what you do is generate the code. So you click on that and then you copy that, okay? So, just click copy to the clipboard. Okay, so, and then we go back over to our site, remembering that at the moment it's this. So if I come down here and then click here to change the template, scroll all the way down to the bottom because that's where it is. I don't need to change the template. I don't know what I'm talking about today, guys. Just click on the settings. You can see there's a little iframe thing in the top box. That's where I put it. So create your splash page content as normal, then come back and do this. Okay, you click on there and I'm going to delete the old code, and I'm just going to, you don't need to delete all the code, you just need to change the video, whereabouts is it, code really, I suppose, which is there. Look, all you'd need to do is change that. Okay, but I'm showing you this way, and then you click source and click save, or come all the way down to the bottom and click update the settings. Now, if I go back to this now, you're going to think, oh, it's not worked. Rubbish tool. But you have to refresh the page, and this is it. So there we have it. Okay, now this works with most of the templates that we've added. It didn't work on a couple, and I cannot for the life of me work out why. So just have a play around. Now this works well also in the blank template. Okay. Now what do I mean by that? So if you click on here, poof, and go all the way down to the bottom and choose another template, you will see down the right hand side, I believe it is. Let's have a look now. This plain old white blank, poof, so that you can create your own content and everything. Okay. So update the template. Let's come back over here. This template will disappear, and all you should see now is the video background because I've not added any content. So let's have a look, see what happens, and there we have it. So I'd have to add some content for this to show up. Okay, now you'd have to choose content, probably white or something like that, white text or something like that. Should we just try it? Wrong button, Ian, come on. Come all the way down to the bottom. Let's have a look. Where are you? Come back here. Let me just add something. I don't know. I'm going to click on the source for this, okay? And I'm going to add it just here. So what I'm going to do, you don't have to do this, guys. Create your content first, then add the code afterwards. But I'm just going to put, what am I doing now? Center. Welcome to Buildabizonline. That's all I'm doing for now. And then I'm going to go buff center, because that's an end tag for centering. So welcome to Buildabizonline. And just 1 second. Okay, so if we now update the settings and then look at our site, we should barely see that. And it is on there, but it's there, look. So what I'm saying, if you use the plain template, you will have to see that there, look. Boof. If we make this, I don't know, font, I don't know. Those that know me, I like Verdana. I'm going to make it heading 1, and I'm going to color it. Let's do, where's the white anyway? Something like that. Okay, we can't see it on here. Barely white. And click save. Come over here. And then refresh. And there we have it. Okay, it does stand out a little bit. Maybe yellow. I don't know. Something like that. So anyway, you get the idea of how to add a video background using almost all of our templates. So you don't need to come to me and say, Ian, you know that template? I really like it. And you know what? I'd like you to put a background in there, a video background in it. And now you know that you could add this to almost anywhere, not just Buildabizonline, I suppose, but you could add it to other templates elsewhere. Who knows? I don't know. Okay, my friend, all I ever use is the Buildabizonline tools. So there we have it. Thanks for listening then, and bye for now. And don't forget, that link will be placed in a second just here. Okay, my friends? Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks for listening.